First thing we have to do is remove the rubber boot from the cable and spin that first nut off. Then ensure that the second nut is within a thread or two of the bottom. Once we've done that, then we're going to go ahead and slip the cable into the pedal, slide the fitting in, and then go ahead and start this nut on. We're going to run this nut down all the way down to where it's snug. We'll tighten it up later. Once that's done, we want to slip the rubber boot back in place. Okay, and now what we want to do is, so we're going to turn this pedal around so we can get to the clevis. We're going to take the removable clevis, attach it to the cable, try and have the slot on this outside edge. Once we have that done, I'm going to pull back the cable a little bit so I can make everything move. Take my pin, get the pin lined up into the hole, add our cotter pin. And our cotter pin back so that it's folded over. And the final step then, once you get it installed and everything working good, you'll want to make sure that you put a zip tie in this to tie this bottom end in.